In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the URL path on your Google Sites website, which is a straightforward but highly effective way to personalize the address of your page, making it easier for your visitors to remember and for search engines to find. Now, let's jump right in and walk through the process step by step to make sure you can smoothly implement this on your own Google site. First, head over to your Google Sites page where you have been working. You'll notice at the top of your page and slightly to the right, there's a button labeled Publish. Right next to this, there's a small drop down arrow. Clicking this arrow will open up more options related to publishing your site. It's important to know these settings as they allow you to manage how your site is presented to the world. Once you have clicked on the drop down arrow, you'll see an option labeled Publish Settings. Go ahead and click on this option. These settings are crucial because they house all the adjustments you can make before making your site live or even while it's up and running. You might not access these settings often, but knowing where they are when you need to make changes is very beneficial. In the Publish Settings menu, you'll see a field representing your web address. This is where you can edit the URL path that follows your site's domain name. Click on this field and you'll be able to type in a custom path. Think about what makes sense for your site. Perhaps it includes a keyword or two relevant to the site's content or purpose. Customizing this portion of your site's address can optimize your site for searches, attract more visitors, and create a more professional online footprint. After you've made your changes and are satisfied with the new web address for your site, look for the Save button and click it. Saving is crucial. Without doing so, none of your changes will be applied and your default URL path will remain. Once you hit save, your new custom URL path becomes active, and you can share it with confidence that it portrays exactly the identity you want for your site. Customizing the URL path is a great way to add a personal touch and professionalism to your Google site. Remember, a concise and descriptive URL path can significantly enhance user experience and is easier for users to remember. It's a small change, but it packs a punch in terms of branding and searchability. So that's it, a simple yet effective way to customize the URL path on your Google Sites page. Feel free to explore other features and settings available in Google Sites, which can help you build a more engaging and dynamic web presence. Thank you for tuning in today and happy site building.